Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. So today, this year, today is the first trading of this year 2023. In fact, we are still in 2022 only, but trading calendar, if you see, today is the first day, and from today I'll share a very important insight about algo trading. So I'm not going to talk much about markets, what is happening in the market, what is the open interest, or what. Of course, we will talk about the markets, but we are not going to talk what we did like as usual, right? So we'll talk more about algo tradings because algo trading is the future. In between, we'll talk about strategies also. Now I'll share with you a very good algo. Like we are testing many algo strategies, and these are one of the algo strategies we have been running. This is beta 6/7 live, then beta _1 H10 live, this live H. So all these are algo strategies, and these are all back tested for at least 2 or 3 or 4 months. Now I'll show you the running strategies. And this strategy, this beta 1 live, so this strategy has given a profit of around 1.4 lakh, and this is not live, but this is running in paper trade, right? So this is around 10 lot, and total capital required is around maybe 10 lakh rupees, right? Not even 10 lakh rupees, 9.58 something to be precise, and we are running this for around 3 months. So far it has given around 14% ROI in just 3 months. Now, do you think this is possible? I can say that is really hypothetical. Why? Because backtesting, let's say you are having a backtesting strategy and you are deploying this strategy, and this strategy gives a result. Let's say it gives, I'll show you one example. I don't want to just say something. I'll just show you a live example of what I've done here. So this is a strategy. This is a bank Nifty strategy which is running live in Algo. So this strategy has given a profit of around 6.89 lakhs, 435 rupees. And do you know how much is the capital required for this strategy to run? You will require a maximum of around 6 lakh rupees. So with 6 lakh rupees, you are making 6 lakhs. With the 6 lakhs capital, you are making 6 lakhs 89,000. Do you think this is possible? That's why I'm saying it is hypothetical, because it may not happen. Let's say there will be variance, there will be slippages, you might not see stop loss being hit. See, there is a difference between when you run a back test in, let's say, let's talk about Quantmann. You run a back test in Quantmann, okay? What Quantmann is having is a delayed data. They don't buy tick by tick data, but your broker is having a tick by tick data. Tick by tick data is very expensive, but delayed data is not expensive. So your broker is getting data from NSE, directly from NSE, but Quantmann or Stockmark or any other trading platform, they are getting their data from third-party vendors, maybe Global Data Feed, True Data, and there are so many vendors. More than 10-15 vendors are there, third-party data vendors are there. So they will get data from this third-party vendor. So this is the difference. So let's say, for example, if you are doing a strategy in backtesting a strategy in your algo test platform, the stop loss might have not hit in your backtesting software, but your broker side stop loss might hit. So let's say you are having a short straddle, you are having a 25% stop loss. Let's say market has gone to slightly, it has gone up. Your call side premium has gone from 100 rupees to 125 rupees, right? Then from there it is reversing. Now this scenario, if I tell you, it might have stop loss might have hit in your broker side, but on your algo testing platform, that stop loss might not have hit. right? So these are the variants. So what you have to consider, let's say even if we consider slippages, variance, that and this, all kind of these things, still let's say 50%, you exclude 50%, still you will make 3.4 lakhs. That's around 50% in just how many months? 12 months, from January 1st to 28th of December we run this strategy, and with a capital of how much? 6 lakhs, you are making 3.5 lakhs. That is around 50% ROI in 1 year, right? So this is very much possible, but that's why I'm saying it is hypothetical. I'll share the details. We'll talk about the market more in the videos, and we'll talk about algos also, more about algos on this video. Now what we did a very this strategy was deployed live today, and what happened was you know that this candle, and this is not the Quantmann once, sorry, this is not this thing. I'll open Dhan account. I'll also show you what happened in that 3 p.m. candle, right? If you can remember, that 3 p.m. candle just screwed us like anything. That's because, I don't know, I heard somewhere some ICICI or Axis Bank, there was a bulk order, some technical glitch, blah blah blah, something was happening, and this 3-minute candle, big 3-minute candle was screwed us all. In fact, I was seeing in Twitter many people booked loss. So this strategy was running in quant, and this was in a good profit of around 26k. From 26k it came to a loss of around 14k. So likewise, I will share all the details of how we are running the quant, how profitable it is, and how we will try to enhance our quant, so on and so forth. We'll also try to illustrate, or we'll also try to show you many quant strategies you can run in many algo testing platform. And if you are a technical guy, if you are a tech guy, you can hire a Python programmer, and you can do in Python also. So when you do it in Python, this slippages or variance is going to be very, very less. In our example, 6 lakh capital and you are making 6.83 lakh profit. If you do it in Python, maybe 70% is achievable, or 80% is also achievable. If you do it in algo testing platform like Tradetron or Quantmann, maybe only 50% is achievable. So there are lots of complication, and if you are going for Python and all, there is so much of complication. So you have to have a very perfect ecosystem. Even if you are having Python good coders, you have to get support from your brokerage. Their API should be very, very perfect. Now we have tested our algo strategies in many brokers. You know, I am a Zebu guy. We tried in Zebu, it didn't work because API, it's like you have API, there is 3 different types of API. Like, let me tell you a very easy term. It's like first class, business class, and economy. So if you go for economy APIs and all, it is not going to work. Stop loss mate, skip, and there are various things, various problems you will face. These problems and all we were facing in our API with Zebu. Then we shifted to Dhan. Now it is running smoothly because we went from economy to first class API. So Zerodha, Dhan, Angel One, they have a very excellent API data. So if you are planning to run algos, I suggest you either go to Zerodha. I think Zerodha is charging around 2,000 rupees. Angel One also, I think, charging. Dhan is also charging. So go for APIs who are charging you. You don't think why we have to pay 2,000 rupees, and you don't go for free APIs, you are not going to get anything. You will find maybe when backtesting strategies might work, but when it comes to reality, it might not work, right? So this is the thing this is the thing I want to say today. So going forward, we'll see how we turn positive, how much we are making in this market, right? So this is a very short video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.